Sahitya.
I will take. That's my daughter.
Where is she?
Please.
So how old is your daughter? 11 years old. That's wrong with that. They don't remember. Ganesh ji. Ganesh. He made it. After he started bless him with the. So Arjun, I know you since you were 4 years old, right? How old are you now?
9.
5 years. 5 years? I know you since 5 years now.
I think so. Yeah.
So what you are planning to continue Sanskrit?
Yes, definitely. I would love to continue Sanskrit with Sanil Guruji, and I'm really loving the class.
Good. Okay, so he told me not to announce his name and he doesn't want to come, but it is my husband, Arvind. So he's my husband, that is his biggest qualification after Sanskrit. Because I stay with him, so I know he's very dedicated, and at 8:15 he will start telling me, can you turn on the computer if I'm not around at 8:30? Turn on the computer, log into Google Meet, and make sure that everyone who gets in, you admit them if I'm not around. So I support him, but his dedication for 2 years, every Sunday logging in, creating all those things and putting the recordings online and ensuring that everything is in place. Thank you for doing that. That is the kind of background work which goes, and I can see that, so I can appreciate that. Okay, then another one is my son Shivansh. Because we are engaged, so he gets involved into this, and both of them told me that they don't want any certificates. They were just doing it because it was part of our family thing. So and Senthil ji has been your guru as well. Shailja ji? Shailja, I will not ask you how old are you. So you can take a picture. So, आप कब से सीख रहे हो? Since when have you been learning?
Like 2 years.
Yeah. You're liking class?
Yes, I like very much. Like I was thinking about that, but suddenly the Human Society recognized it, and I immediately registered for that. So
Awesome.
I'm really enjoying the class. The sir is awesome. So.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alagar, where is that small kiddo? Come, Alagar. So you know me now, right? I know you for almost 5 years now, 4 or 5 years. How old are you now? 10. But you cannot say that your teacher is good because he's your dad. So do you, beyond the class, do you learn Sanskrit from your dad? Or do you teach him? No? Harshada ji. So I'm prohibited, मैं age नहीं पूछूंगी लोगों को. Namaste. Thank you so much, Harshada ji, and thank you for being part of our Sanskrit Vidyalaya.
Always wanted to learn Sanskrit, like written Sanskrit, because we can read because we are Indians. We have the literals that we use every other language. But not literally everything we understand from Sanskrit. And it's really needed to have the grammar, everything needs to be there. And thank you for very much for this. Thank you all of you.
Thank you so much. Glad to have you. Pranav Karthik. Pranav, how old are you? You are 7, which grade are you? You just turned 8 after stepping on the stage. Where are your parents? How old is he? Sure. Do you like studying Sanskrit? With Sanskrit, sir? Yes? You do. Okay, go ahead. And you need to turn to the side so that you can have your certificate. And you still need to share your certificate with Acharya and everyone on stage. Awesome. Good job. Anybody else?
I think that's everything.
Jignasha ji to nahi aayi hai abhi?
No, she says she can.
Okay. So while we are here, we will hand over the certificates for the rest of the volunteers as well. Come. Okay. Anil Sharma ji, please आइए. Anil Sharma ji has volunteered. I'm taking an opportunity to tell about everyone because I know about everyone. Anil Sharma ji has been volunteering with us, and apart from his moral support and his guidance, he has supported us in last year and hosted a session on will and estate management. And we said, Anilji we'll have a 90-minute session, and it went more than 150 minutes. So that was very grateful. We are very grateful. That was very kind of you to host that session and share your expertise and knowledge with us last year, and we hope we will be doing that sometime again this summer. Thank you so much, Anilji, for all your contributions. Nilendu Bala. So many of our volunteers associated with us when we hosted Shri Ram Lala Rath Yatra in Calgary, and IHF was proud to take a lead in that, and we are humbled that we got a chance to coordinate that across Calgary. And during that time, we very closely we got this assignment through Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh and VHP Canada. And being a coordinator organization for that, we had Nilendu ji who supported Ram Lala's Rath Yatra and the event organization for that. Nilendu ji. He's an active Karyakarta for Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh in Canada. So and regular doing all the shakha and everything. So in case you have any questions, he can answer your queries. रीना छाबड़ा जी. रीना जी को हम दे रहे हैं सर्टिफिकेट इनकी पूरी फैमिली के लिए. रीना जी and her husband Sanjeev ji, they have supported IHF throughout, in and out, financially as well. Whenever we have asked for financial donations or physical presence in the events and coordinate our efforts, they have immensely supported us. We can count on them any time of the day. Reena ji, thank you to all the Chabra family and all the Pramod Singh ji. Okay, yes, Kalpesh ji, I will request you to come and receive some certificates for HSS on behalf, and please send it to them.
Sure.
So we had many members from Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh, as I stated, who contributed towards organization of Ram Lala Rath Yatra, and they keep on supporting IHF efforts. Kalpesh ji will be taking all those certificates for them, and he will be passing those on to them. Deep Dharmendra Patel ji. Jigna Bhatt ji, वो इनकी वाइफ है, and And I must say she was in charge of the event we held in Dalhousie. She was in charge of the decoration team and coordinating all those efforts. And so she took all the responsibility and supported us at all the time and kept in touch with all the volunteers and beautifully coordinated. The reason why they are not here is because they have gone out for another Sanatani cause in Lethbridge. With the new startup of new Shakha in Lethbridge, we have our HSS team which has gone to Lethbridge and they are not here today. Ananya Nair. Ananya Nair is a teenager. She is grade 10 student. And before we started our event at Dalhousie, she was, along with Shivansh, she was the one who made that presentation and presented that to the audience. And she has attended various, one or two SSV sessions as well, and we would to her as a budding leader for Sanatani community. Rajiv Nair, Ananya's father. So that is all for.
We were humbled to get the opportunity to work with the IHF for the Ramlala event.
Thank
It
you
was
so
an
much.
opportunity for us to serve this bigger cause.
Thank you so much. Premlata Rathi ji, aa jao. Something very special about Premlata ji, which without her permission I am seeking to share. She is Sanatani from Pakistan, and that makes us feel very special that she is part of IHF, and past 2, 3, 4 years she has contributed. Even everything you say, and she is there for us. She has been there for us. I will just take example which really supported us. And there are many volunteers. Last year we did Kamad Yatra, and for that we requested for. We did not have funds as usual. We are poor, so we pitched and we said we need everyone to make 20 puris so that we can serve that to all those Kamad Yatris. She has always been the first one who will do that for us. And she lives in deep south. She will come forward and deliver it where you need it. And she doesn't drive. Thank you so much, Premlata ji, for all your effort and whatever you do for us. Thank you so much. Thank you. आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? आंखों में पानी लाए बिना।
फ्लूएंट इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकती हूँ। मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगी कि भगवान कृष्ण ने गीता में कहा है कि फल की इच्छा ना कर, अपना कर्म किए जा। ओ मैंने अपना कर्म किया, मैंने ना सर्टिफिकेट के लिए किया है ना कुछ। आप लोगों ने सर्टिफिकेट दिया, अप्रिशिएट किया, मैं उसके लिए बस क्या बोले, मेरा दिल जिगर सब आप लोगों के लिए है, मेरे धर्म के लिए
Okay, another one we have Yogesh Patil, Ajo, and Aditi Patil, Ajo. So जो सर्टिफिकेट्स आपके हाथ में है वॉलंटियर वाले, ये इन्होंने डिजाइन किए हैं। And Aditi has been a performer at our events, and you would have seen her YouTube videos, and she's doing. I think she's the only one right now doing something to promote our Sanatani culture in Calgary through her beautiful melodious voice. Thank you so much for doing that, Aditi. हमारे बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलोगे?
Thank you so much, Sonia ji, Arvind ji. I had an opportunity to talk to Sonia ji 2 years ago. That was first 108 Kanya Pujan. We were planning for that event, and through that I have been in contact with this team, IHF. Then I was part of Sanskrit Vidyalaya also. राम यात्रा, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स ऐसे हुए कि जिसमें सोनिया जी, अरविंद जी, उनका बेटा शिवांश, they are working round the clock and really उनके efforts से अपनी सारी टीम, not only सारी टीम जो है, we are working round the clock, so I really appreciate and thank you so much. आप लोग appreciate करने के लिए भी available हो आज. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so Acharya ji, you have seen some of the things we have been doing since past years. So I will leave it to you and give you a chance about saying what you think about our Sanskrit school. Yeah. So we will enjoy some Sanskrit performances, and because she has to leave, so we'll give her a chance and then we'll surely want to hear from you. Your feedback is very important and it will be very encouraging. Please, yeah, we will enjoy some Sanskrit. Maybe I
நான் ஒய்ஃபை பாஸ்வேர்டு பார்க்கறதுக்காக உங்கள் ஃபேஸ் கேட்டுச்சது லைவ் எடுத்துட்டீங்களா? இல்லை எனக்கு இங்கே வேணும் யூடியூப் லைவ் ஒய்ஃபை பாஸ்வேர்டு இதுக்கு செட்டிங்.
So what we will do is Harshada ji will perform because she has to go, and in the meanwhile we will, after that we will open some, we have some shadi for us, jalebi for us. Then we will come back and we have some Sanskrit students who will be performing, and keeping the time in mind we will follow that and then we'll take
Just 5 minutes.
yeah, we'll take 5 minutes break for after Harshada ji performs.
Yes. I know you can proceed. You can. Is it okay? Yeah, that would be great. So we thank you so much. First of all, Namaskar. Thank you so much for this great opportunity, and I feel really proud to stand here in front of all these Panditjis and Acharyas. We have done a small thing that we could share in this country, in this our city, Calgary, city of Calgary. Let us start with. I'm not going to take much time talking now. We will talk later. We will start with shlokas. I will call one of our wonderful students, Nardana and Pranav, to start with some Ganesh shloka. Okay.
Don't be 9 years old by stepping on the stage.
You want to sit down? Okay, no.
So you didn't have to choose that. No, you could post it this time, not this time.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
before we break for the prasad. Ashra ji. She is also one other reason for me to start teaching Sanskrit. Because she was also proposing to start the classes. Luckily we could combine with IHF and we could do that. Thank you so much for all the initiatives. Thank you.
Shri Ganeshaय Namaः. Pranamya Shrisarevam Gauraputram Namatam Bhaktavam Smare Nityayukam Pradhamam Vakratandaccha Ekadantam Vidyatam Tritiyakrishapingaksharajavakram Lambodaram Panchamascha Shishtam Vividameva Saptam Vignarajenam Hinduvarnam Pratharsama Navam Bhalachandrasya Dashamam Vinayakam Dvadasham Ganapatim Dvadasham tu Gajanam Dvadashetani Namani Prashathaya Sarvapapavinimuktho Vishnuloke पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददामि संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवनं संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् I will be chanting some of the Dhyana shlokas. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Puranamuna Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Gatavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashaധ്യായിനി Bhagavadgite Bhavadveshini Namostute Vyasavishalabuddhe Sularavimlayatapattane Yena Tvaya Bhagavatakriyapurnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipah Sarvopanchado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsastudhirpata Tham Gitaamrutam Mahat Vasudeva Sutam Devam Vansachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Bhishma Dronatata Jayadratha Jala Gandhara Niyotpala Shalyagrahavati Krupena Vahini Karnena Vilakula Ashwadhama Vikarna Ghora Vakala Duryodhana Vardini Sotirna Khalu Pandavayiranati Kaivartaka Keshavaha Parasharyavachas Saroja Mamalam Gitaarthagambhodkatam Nanakhyanakakesaram Harikatha Sambodhanabodhitam Loke Sajjana Shatpadaidaharaha Pepiyamanam Mula Bhuya Bharata Pankajam Varimala Prathamsi Nashreyase Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langhayate Yatkrupatamaham Vande Paramanandamadhavam Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavai Vedai Sangha Padakramo Panishadai Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yogino Yasyantam Navidusura Suraganaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha
Krishna, do you want to sit down?
Namaskaraha. My ब्रह्म परात्पर राम कालात्मक परमेश्वर राम शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर राम कालात्मक परमेश्वर राम शेषतल्प सुख निद्रित राम ब्रह्माद्यमरजादित राम चंड किरण पुरमंडन राम श्रीमद्दशरथ नंदन राम कौसल्यासुखवर्धन राम विश्वामित्र प्रियधन राम घोरताटकाघातक राम मारीचादिनिपातक राम काशिकमक संरक्षक राम श्रीमदल्योदारक राम गौतम मुनि संपूजित राम सुरमुनिवरगण संस्तुत राम नाविकदाविक मृदुपद राम मिथिलापुरजन मोहक राम विदेह मानस रंजक राम त्र्यंबक कार्मुक भंजक राम सीतार्पित वरमालिक राम ऋतवैवाहिक कौतुक राम भार्गवदर्प विनाशक राम श्रीमदयोध्या पालक राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम अगणित गुण गण भूषित राम अगणित नय कामित राम अगणित गुण गण भूषित राम अगणित नय कामित राम काकाचंद्र समानन राम पितृवाक्याश्रित गानन राम प्रियगुह विवेदित पद राम प्रक्षालित निज पद राम भरद्वाजकानंदन राम चित्रकूटातिनिकेतन राम दशरथ संतत चिंतित राम कैकेयी तनयादित राम विरचित निज पितृकर्मक राम भरतार्पित निज पादुक राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम गणकावन जन पावन राम अष्टविराध विनाशन राम गणकावन जन पावन राम अष्टविराध विनाशन राम शरभंग सुदीक्षाचित राम अगस्त्यानुग्रह वर्धित राम रुद्राधिप संसेवित राम पंचवटी तट सुस्थित राम पूर्वनकार्ति विधायक राम करदूषण मुख सूदक राम सीता प्रिय हरिनानुग राम नारी जाति हृदा सुग राम विनष्ट सीतान्वेषक राम रुद्राधिप संपतिदायक राम शबरी दत्त फलासन राम अगंध बाहुच्छेदन राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम हनुमत सेवित निज पद राम यथ सुग्रीवाभीष्टद राम हनुमत सेवित निज पद राम यथ सुग्रीवाभीष्टद राम गर्वित वारि संहारक राम वानर दूत प्रेषक राम हितकर लक्ष्मण संयुत राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम कपिवर संतत संस्कृत राम तद्गति विघ्नाध्वंसक राम कपिवर संतत संस्कृत राम तद्गति विघ्नाध्वंसक राम सीता प्राणधारक राम दुष्ट दशानन दूषित राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, रावण निधन प्रेषित राम, वानर सैन्य समावृत राम, रावण निधन प्रेषित राम, वानर सैन्य समावृत राम, शोषित सरिदी शार्दिक राम, विभीषणाभयदायक राम, पर्वत सेतु विबंधक राम, कुंभकर्ण शिरच्छेदक राम, महिम विरावण चारण राम, संस्कृत दशमुख रावण राम, विधिगौमुख सुर संस्तुत राम, कष्टित दशरथ वीक्षित राम, सीता दर्शन मोदित राम, अभिषिक्त विभीषणत राम, पुष्पकयानारोहण राम, भरद्वाजादि सेवन राम, भरत प्राण प्रियकर राम, साकेत पुरी भूषण राम, सकल स्वीय समानत राम, रत्नल सत्पीठास्थित राम, पट्टाभिषेकालंकृत राम, पार्थिव कुल सम्मानित राम, विभीषणार्पित रंगक राम, ईशकुलानुग्रहकर राम, सकल जीव संरक्षक राम, समस्त लोकाधारक राम, सकल जीव संरक्षक राम, समस्त लोकाधारक राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, आगत मुनिगण संस्तुत राम, विश्रुत दशकंठोद्भव राम, आगत मुनिगण संस्तुत राम, विश्रुत दशकंठोद्भव राम, सीतालिंगन निर्वृत राम, नीति सुरक्षित जनपद राम, विपिनचारित जनकज राम, कारित लवण सुरवद राम, सर्गत शंभुक संस्तुत राम, सतलय कुशलवनंदित राम, अश्वमेध कृत दीक्षित राम, कालवेदित सुरपद राम, आयोजक जन मुक्तिद राम, विधिमुख विबुधानंदन राम, तेजोमय निज रूपक राम, संस्तुति बंध विमोचक राम, धर्म स्थापन तत्पर राम, भक्ति परायण मुक्तिद राम, सर्वचराचर पालक राम, सर्वभौममय भारत राम, वैकुंठालय संस्थित राम, नित्यानंद पदस्थित राम, वैकुंठालय संस्थित राम, नित्यानंद पदस्थित राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, भयहर मंगल दशरथ राम, जय जय मंगल सीता राम, भयहर मंगल दशरथ राम, जय जय मंगल सीता राम, मंगल कर जय मंगल राम, संगत शुभ विभवोदय राम, आनंदामृत वर्षक राम, आश्रित वत्सल जय जय राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम. Thank you. If you please go to the stage.
Thank you so much, Sanjana. It's really a fantastic.
अनन्तं नित्यमनाकाशं परमाकाशं गोष्ठप्राङ्गणलिङ्गणलोल मनायासं परमायासं सत्यं ज्ञानपरन्तं सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं नित्यमनाकाशं परमाकाशं सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं
गोष्ठप्राङ्गणलिङ्गणलोळ मनायासं परमायासं मायाकल्पितनानाकारमनाकारं भुवनाकारं मायाकल्पितनानाकारं मनाकारं भुवनाकारं क्ष्मायानाथमनाथं प्रणमत गोविन्दं परमानन्दं क्ष्मायानाथमनाथं प्रणमत गोविन्दं परमानन्दम् मृष्मामस्ति हेति यशोदा ताडन शैशवसन्त्रासं मृत्नामत्सि हेति यशोदा ताडन शैशवसन्त्रासं व्याधितवक्त्रालोकितलोका लोकचतुर्दशलोकालिं व्याधितवक्त्रालोकितलोका लोकचतुर्दशलोकालिं लोकत्रयपुरमूलस्तम्भं लोकालोकमनालोकं लोकत्रयपुरमूलस्तम्भं लोकालोकमनालोकं लोकेशं परमेशं प्रणमत गोविन्दं परमानन्दं लोकेशं परमेशं परमत गोविन्दं परमानन्दं गोविन्दं परमानन्दं।
Thank you so much. So we are almost the last performance, one last one by Alagar Kondian. He wants to do that with background music.
किशोर चंद्रशेखर हृदय प्रदक्षिणा राधरेंद्र मंदिरी विलास विमोहनं हि देहिनं शङ्करस्य
you, Lagar. With that, we are coming to the end of our performances. I will hand over to Sonia ji.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much, students. Acharya ji, everyone who is associated with any mandir or any those kind of performances, we request you to take these students with you so that we can develop and nurture them further, their Sanskrit further, and that will help you and us in future to promote. You never know where these kids are going after for their university and everywhere, but they will be the flag bearers for Sanatan for us. And before we wind up, we have a couple of our volunteers who have joined, and we have about 4 certificates to give. And Acharya ji, I will request you all to be here, please, 3 of you. Kusum ji, aap bhi aiye, please. Kusum ji, please come. Kusum ji is from Nepali community, and in our effort to bring everyone together, all the Sanatanis irrespective of language and country, we are trying to build all the things together and bring all the Sanatanis together. And with this, we'll have 4 certificates to be handed over, and I will request those 4 people to come forward because they were late. And then I have an exciting announcement for Sanskrit students who are below age of 12. Okay, Arijita Roy Gautam. Arijita ji has always supported us for the kind of effort we have always needed from her all the time. Photograph ले लेना please, हमारे photographer भाग गए इधर से. Thank you so much Arijita ji for all your effort. We want to say 2 words.
Hi, hello everyone. I know Sonia ji from 2020. She actually invited me for a music event, and from then, like I have been knowing her and her continuous effort, and to bring all the Sanatanis together under one roof. Like kudos to her, my heartfelt thanks to her. And I will be always there for you, Sonia ji, whenever you call me. Yeah, for everything. Thank you so much.
Sonia is replaceable, and whosoever is here is replaceable. But the thing is, Sanatan is not replaceable, and that is what we need to carry forward. Thank you so much. Garvit and Nidhi Bajaj, please come. So Garvit and Nidhi, they have, along with family, they are here today. I'm not giving it to his husband and to her husband and the younger son because we don't nepotism mein aa rahe. And Nidhi and Garvit, thank you so much for all your contributions for IHF, and I cannot count when they contributed because they have always contributed. So let it make it decoration and serving or doing anything you say, they've always been there for us. Thank you so much, Nidhi and Garvit. Krunal has been a back-end support for us long when he's a banker. So हमें जब भी पैसे चाहिए होते हैं हम इसको बोलते हैं भाई हमें पैसे चाहिए, and all the kind of we have asked from Krunal. We know he has always been a call away and always supported our efforts. Thank you so much. I know rest of the volunteers are not here, but I will just name them. So one of our directors, Sankeji, he couldn't be here, but he has sent a surprise which I was talking about, and Krunalji is here to announce that for Sanskrit students, and here you go.
Sanket recently opened a new business in Southside, Love to Play. So he wanted to tell that all the IHF members and supporters, they can get the first free entry for kids. It's really like enjoyable place. Should visit it at least once. It's really good. Thank you so much.
So it is in South, and what is called Fun to Play? Love to Play. So he has opened. That is, I think, one of our first Sanatanis Love to Play in indoor place. So that he has generously being a sponsor, and he's giving it free for all the Sanskrit age group of below 12 because that is what the place is for. So please do contact Sangeet. She is one of the directors for IHF. And I will just name a couple of people who are not here. Sanj Gargji, Surbhi Sheel, Parth Satish Kumar Shah, Rahul Bharti Singhal, Neelam Garg, Pramod Singh, Renu Dudi, Manoj Sagar, Nirmit Kumar Dave, Amit Sharma, Tenzin Chakdor, Vrunda, Sweetie Singh, and Jagdish Ji from Nepali community. So these are the certificates which I still have in hand, and they are for them. So whenever they can collect, it is for them. And with this, I will request Acharya Ji to convey his feelings to us.
हरिओम अखंड कोटि विराट ब्रह्मांड नायक जगन्नाथी परमपिता परमात्मा के सिर चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करते हैं। आप सभी पितृजनों के सिर चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करते हैं। बस केवल यही कहना है, भगवान ने हर किसी को किसी न किसी काम के लिए चुना है। बिना कारण का कर्म नहीं होता और कर्म बिना फल का कभी रहता नहीं। भगवान ने हम सभी को किसी न किसी कारण से चुना है, बस उस कारण को जानना है, उसका सदुपयोग करना है। तो आपको परमात्मा ने सामाजिक कार्य के लिए चुना है, आपने उसको सही समय पर पहचान लिया और कार्य कर रहे हैं। परमात्मा आपको शक्ति दे, साथ में भक्ति दे, आगे बढ़ने की और समाज का साथ दें।
हरिओम। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Hariom Har Takshadat, Sri Govinda. Thank you for everyone. This is a good opportunity for us for the split for our Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Give very good opportunity for the Sanskrit classes for the Senthil Guruji, Senthilji and Sonia and Vinod Guruji and other Suresaya and other devotees. So please keep this opportunity, because in our country is no problem for this kind of thing, but in Canada it's very hard. But we want to encourage to the peoples and we want to encourage to the kids. We want to learn about our religion, our culture, so many things, because we need to know about that. I am really very happy to teach for the Sanskrit, because when I go to the outside pujas anywhere, I will tell the people we need to explain to the puja. Most of the people know about me. When I go to the pujas, I will explain to the pujas and I will explain to the mantras and those kind of things, because people want to understand about that. Sanskrit is not a language. Sanskrit is a mantras. Mantras is a very oldest language, very oldest thing. So we need to participate that classes. We need to encourage the kids. They need to grow up. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
आदरणीय मेरे देवी हैं, सज्जन और सारे भक्त के प्रति मेरा सादर प्रणाम करता हूँ। नेपाली कमेटी की ओर से नेपाली सनातन सोसाइटी की अभी दत्ता हुई है और उसके अपने कार्यक्रम आगे ले जा रहे हैं। हम चाहते हैं हम सब एक साथ चलें। सोनिया जी ने हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे दी एक साथ चलने की। हमें एक साथ चलना है, क्योंकि सनातन एक ही है। हम सब वही परमात्मा के यहाँ उपस्थित है। उनके बदौलत हमें उनके निर्देशन से सब कुछ कर रहे हैं। मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करता हूँ आप लोगों से रहने के लिए। बहुत धन्यवाद मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए।
शैलेश जी, आप छुप नहीं सकते। I think I have gone blind. Why didn't I see you? Please come. Shailesh ji from Anand Datta Society.
Thank you. Will not take too much of your time, but first of all, I want to congratulate Senthil ji for a wonderful effort in bringing Sanskrit language to Calgary in terms of making sure that the children are learning. It was adbhuta, that is my word for it. It was really, really awesome to see the kids perform, and I look forward to seeing all of them in 15 years becoming teachers and imparting Sanskrit to all of the other younger generations to come. Thank you very much for your service. Thank you very much for this opportunity on the platform.
Any last words, Senator? This is your day. You have done so much for everyone. We are really grateful. So much of effort you have put in.
Thank you so much. My Guruji used to, my Guruji used to tell one analogy. When back home in temples they give prasad, there will be kids. The oldest kid runs to get some prasad. Once he receives some prasad, he remembers that there are younger kids at home. So with the prasad in hand, he runs back to home to hand over to his younger ones at home. By the time half spilled over, but still, once he the younger one gets something and eats, he's so happy. And the older one is also happy seeing that his younger one got some prasad. That is what I am trying to do here. As an older one who has started this journey maybe a couple years ago, that's all. You guys are coming, of course there are people who have started learning Sanskrit even before me. This is a simple thing that I am trying to do here, and I am really blessed to have all these great people to support me. When I first talked to Shikaji, I think 2021, that Chestermere program, she never even had a second thought. She just dragged me, came to the stage and she announced just like that, we are going to start learning Sanskrit with Senthilji. But that was a great, even Harshadaji was there. She was even talking to me even before that from Marathi Association. But, this was a surprise to me too. That kind of, we really miss her here, Shikaji. So that was so great that it all started from there. And with all Almighty's blessings, we are here learning Sanskrit. Sanskrit is not like, it's called Devanagari. Devanagari means, what is Devanagari? Devanagari, Deva means we know Devatas. Nagari is, it's a city. It's a language that mastered the city. That is what Devanagari means. Devanagari, we know the Devas Nagaram is Amaravati. This language has mastered that city of Devas, that is Amaravati. Same way we all have come here to this beautiful country. What is with several walks of life? There are doctors, there are engineers, there are accountants. But what is the basic qualification you need to get into this country?
Not being Canadian.
No, to come to any Western country, the first qualification is the language, isn't it? You need the language of English became popular not because British brought it, just because North America adapted it. That's why English became worldwide, not because just British. So that is the thing, the language. Even though there can be many politicians ruling these two countries or other countries, but it is English which is mastering all these countries. Same way it was Sanskrit which was mastering the whole of India, and almost every language of Indian subcontinent came from, including Sinhalese, came from even Indonesian languages. Other Southeast Asian languages also came from Sanskrit, And now the scientists are telling that Sanskrit is the best language to adapt in computer sciences and even artificial intelligence that is coming up nowadays. It is such a language that was taught like 5,000 to 7,000 years ago, which is still relevant even in this modern computer age. That's why I want all of our kids to come forward and learn the Sanskrit language, in order to, even when they go, sometimes if they are going and working, some of our kids working in NASA, if they have to do some research, definitely they will find references from Sanskrit Shastras. Then being an Indian, being a color, brown, people expect you to give all these references. Do you know, like Sanskrit, we shouldn't look at them as if that's a foreign language. That's my intention, that all our kids, I want everyone to learn Sanskrit and use it in their day-to-day life. Of course, we can read Stotras and Shlokas, that is also different. That's a different dimensions of learning Sanskrit. But even in your day-to-day life, you can still use Shastras which are written several thousand years ago in Sanskrit language. Hope everyone will come forward, join us in this journey of spreading our mother language of all our mother tongues. Thank you so much for this great opportunity. I have to thank Sonia ji and Arvind ji every Sunday getting there before me. At least 1 or 2 minutes before me, they will be there to start the class. And thank you so much all the students. Please proceed, continue learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and again, thank you everyone for sparing your, for sharing your Sunday with us. This means a lot to us. So I know many people called, many people are unable to come, but we do appreciate their efforts towards Sanatan. So thank you very much, and we look forward for more volunteering with you all. We are also the same volunteers as well.